Welcome to RPPC Inc. This is the latest in our video tutorials on YouTube. We are a group of consultants that specialize with QuickBooks, not only helping you set it up, but also learning how to use it most effectively, as well as learning how to use the financial information that you get from it to manage your business most effectively. So if you have any questions about this video or any of our other videos on YouTube, please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email, and we would be happy to work with you one-on-one. Today we're going to be talking about Fishbowl Inventory. This is one of the new awesome add-ons that we are supporting. Fishbowl Inventory has been around for a long time. It's just one of those add-ons that we have chosen here at RPPC to take more interest in and really deep dive so that we can better serve you, our clients. And what I want to focus on today is highlighting about the product tree and how it differentiates from QuickBooks. So in Fishbowl Inventory, here under the Materials drop-down tab, you'll notice that it has parts and products, and that's what I'm going to focus on. What's the difference between a part and a product? A part is something that you purchase. So when you are purchasing a part, it may be a one-for-one that I purchase part A and I have that part A as a product A. But I may also have that part A and I may have 1, 5, 10 different products that I make from that part. And that's what really differentiates Fishbowl in one component, is that QuickBooks itself can't really do that very easily. It does have assemblies, but Fishbowl really has that kind of exploded on steroids. So here, if we look at the product, what we can see here is if we click on a particular product, we have all these different tabs that we can see the different product details. So there's so much more information that we can be able to house in Fishbowl than what we can be able to house in QuickBooks itself. So you can be able to see the different tabs. For example, here it tells our product number, tells what part it relates to, gives you the product description, the part description, unit of measure, what the price is, if it's a class related, what the details are, for example, if there's a UPC, if there's a SKU to it, size and weight, the income account that it's going to default to when we interface it with our accounting system, for example, QuickBooks, all of our inventory details, you know, what's on hand, how much has been allocated, is there any of it that's going to be drop shipped, how many are on order, any committed, any on back order, and you can see as I'm hovering, it's telling me how many are on sales orders, purchase orders, all of that type of information, how many are available to pick. So you can see we're getting a whole lot more information in Fishbowl. That's one of the key reasons why, as great as QuickBooks is, when we need just more information, we're going to interface it with a third-party product like Fishbowl. It's going to tell me if there's a substitute, what the pricing is. Because in Fishbowl, we can have just virtually unlimited amount of pricing levels. If there's any memo information, and then we can also set up custom fields. I also wanted to take a moment here and show you about the product tree. This is where, similar how you can have kind of the parent and sub accounts, that's what your product tree is. So you can notice here where when you're setting up, you can also have that parent and sub account relationship in Fishbowl as well. So that way when you are setting up price levels and giving discounts or anything like that, you still have that same functionality here in Fishbowl Inventory. And we're going to be able to go into much greater detail in some upcoming videos and really show you, deep dive into how to set up some really cool pricing level options that are just really going to wow you. So that's my little snapshot today for Fishbowl Inventory to kind of highlight for you, to introduce you to parts and products. If you have any questions about this or any other areas of Fishbowl Inventory, don't hesitate to give us a call here at RPPC Inc. or send us an email. We would love to help you. Have a great day.